with this wonderful style, which was completely spoiled. The symbolic meaning was spoiled by the communists, because they put a red star on the top, and together with the red star was 100 meters high, otherwise 96 meters high. You know that 96 has a symbolic meaning because of 1896 and 896. They tried to express that important date even with the heights of the buildings, the birth of the country and the 1,000 years anniversary.
De Budapeste.
Gyere majd, jöttem, jó. Igen, jó. Igen, de nem akar senki kiszállni, jó. Can you see? It can be visited by groups and the coat of arms. You see how many are on the wall of the parliament, those coat of arms. When the country was 3 times larger than today, the different counties, they had different coat of arms, and those are still can be seen on the